guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay and today I'm going to be going a little bit out of my comfort zone to do this video. It was requested in my last video to do a 5-minute makeup challenge, and I don't really wear makeup. Makeup just makes my skin feel like I can't breathe, and I always am scared I'm gonna break out. But I will be trying to do my makeup in less than 5 minutes. Pretty much just like basic, natural kind of look. So let's see how this goes. I used to do my makeup and I loved doing makeup a few years ago, but then I kind of just stopped and I like never do my makeup now. So let's see if I remember anything, really. If I remember different strategies, whatever. And while I'm doing this, a little bit out of my comfort zone, I'm going to be talking about something that is more in my comfort zone, basically how I am motivated to stay working out and how many times I work out during a week and whatnot. So let's just hop into this video. Okay, so I'm about to set my alarm for 5 minutes. See, 5 minutes. Okay, let's start. Okay, I have my mirror here. Ah! I dropped it. No. Okay, mirror. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, obviously, concealer. I'm not using primer because I don't really feel like it. This is the NARS Creamy Concealer, if anyone's wondering. I used to use this all the time when I did my makeup. Oh, that was really bad. Okay, whatever. I basically put this, kind of just, try to clear up redness. Anyways, I started, oh my gosh, why am I so shaky? I started my fitness journey probably 3 or 4 years ago. I used to go to the gym with my sister, and then I kind of stopped because, you know, I couldn't drive. She was there for probably 2 hours, and at that point I didn't really want to be there for that long, so I kind of just like stopped going with her, really. And then parents canceled my gym membership after a while, and then probably freshman year I really started to want to go to the gym because of my mental health. And so also, this is the Tarte powder, if you're wondering. I did not blend that out right. Okay, we're gonna fix that real quick. But I started going to another gym, and it was mostly just because I really wanted to help my mental health, and that was kind of like a getaway for me. And at first, obviously, I really didn't know what I did. Like, I really didn't know what I was doing. This brush is so messed up. Look at this. But after a while, obviously, you start getting the hang of it. You start, like, seeing results, and that's a huge motivator. Huge motivation thing for me is taking progress pictures. So make sure you are taking pictures during your journey. Take more at the beginning so that while the process is going on, or whatever, you know, you can see the changes that are happening in you, and it's really motivating. I'm going to use this now, Too Faced highlighter. I don't really have time to be telling you what I'm using, but I'm going to anyways. No, actually, I'm just gonna put it in the description, sorry, not in the comments. But basically, as I started seeing results and stuff, it really motivated me to go more. And probably sophomore year, I really got into it, going like every single day. You know, I really kept seeing results, and that kept motivating me. And, you know, just staying consistent, like making sure, what am I doing? Brows, okay. Staying consistent and like really pushing yourself to go. I started going probably like every day and I kind of like lessened it 5-6 times a week. And now, well, I have not really been in the groove of it because I recently got my wisdom teeth out, so I couldn't go for a week, couldn't work out at all. Oh, okay, that's not that good, but oh well. So really, I have 54 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Really, I go probably like 4 times a week. I also have weights class at school, so that kind of, oh, it's cold. That kind of helps me, you know, to get my workout in, even if I don't go to the gym necessarily that day. But, you know, home workouts, obviously, like, you don't need to go to the gym to do like an ab workout. So if I just want to do like abs one day, 20 seconds, then I just do that at my house, you know. It's also really helpful for me to have a partner. I go to the gym with my friend Leah or my boyfriend Dejan, and I really like helping people also like learn how to work out. I got one eye of mascara done. Shoot. Well, hooray. I'll put the other eye on after this video, but look, one eye, okay. So yeah, that was this video. What I'm finishing saying, biggest motivators for me, progress pictures, staying consistent, because then it's just part of your routine, having like a time that you would go, having a partner you can go with, someone that can help you and you can help them, just motivate each other. So yeah, those are my tips to kind of stay motivated, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if my makeup looks good. Even though I only have one eye of mascara on. I think it's fine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see more of, like fitness, whatever. And also, follow my Instagram. I'll have it down below and also on the screen. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!